Well, my name is Greg Salas. I live in Friona, Texas. I work at Cargill Meat Solutions over there in Friona. I felt like I had got to a plateau in my career, and I got to looking and seeing what I could do, and I come across the industrial technology program online. After joining the program, I realized that there's a lot more opportunity. Currently at Cargill, I'm a maintenance planner. So my job is to order parts, put job steps together. What I do is still involved in maintenance. So we studied in the first semester basic electrical, get an idea of how to look at a wiring diagram and wire everything up according to what you were looking at on paper. Back over here on the computer, there's virtual trainers, and those were pretty good too. Those helped get the concepts that we were learning from the book, you know, checking your voltage, checking your ohms, looking for broke wires, looking for short to grounds, all that. And then the mechanical trainers back here, those helped, really they were good for alignments. Teaching you what goes together to make a drive operate properly. The pneumatic trainers, they're good for teaching you what happens in relationship to valve movements. In industry, a lot of times the components aren't so close together, so you're operating something here, but it's actually moving something further away, and it's hard to see that, what you're doing in relationship to what's happening. Almost everything that you see in here, you'll see it. You might not see it exactly like this, but it's the foundation for what makes everything operate in industry. Where I worked at previously at Cargill, the distribution center, we got to focus on some automated systems there and conveyor systems, and that was our primary focus there. So you have two options. If you're employed already, then you can come do this. If you want to change if you're a production worker and you want to go to maintenance, you can join this program for that. Or if you're, like I said, if you're a high school student that's just getting out of school and you're not sure exactly what you want to do, you could do this. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. 2 years is nothing in the scope of things. And then you'd have to work with Cargill for 2 years after that. But everything that you'd learned in that 4-year period would be invaluable, and you could take it wherever you wanted to. Here, you get to learn at a more relaxed pace. At work, it's go, go, go. You're talking about production, and I'd recommend coming here and learning the fundamentals and the basics and everything. Then you can apply them when you go on the job somewhere.